Sorry, Mal.
Moving the cars around now. Dad's gonna hit the... Oh my god. Dad hit the lawn bags. Jeez. What the heck is he doing? Alright, we're leaving.
Hey, Mom.
Bye,
Hey,
Mom. Hope you have a good day.
Say bye.
Oh yeah, this place
I guess this
is
goes
like
on all
empty.
week.
This place is like empty all but 1 week of the year. Alright, so the question I have to know, how was Misty?
Misty was yowling the whole way.
The whole way to...
Yeah. And then the doctor and the lady there, they were very nice, and they got her to calm down.
Well, she was probably glad to be out of the car.
Yes, she was. They were very nice.
Alright, we're here at the Cibolo Nature Preserve.
I've been taking my allergy stuff because I did my allergy shots for a year and a half, and then I stopped.
This place is really cool. I haven't been here in forever though. This never used to have water in it.
Yeah. It's kind of weird, isn't it?
Well, we used to always come here during a drought.
Oh, yeah.
We went Cibolo Creek, 0.1 miles that way. Man, I don't know what's going on in the city of Bernie today, but that is not normal. Someone's kicking up huge clouds of smoke or dust or whatever.
Yeah, because it's clear.
Smoke is starting to block out the sun.
But it looks like it's pretty good slope.
Yeah.
Looks nice that way though.
It's got nice reflections in that one. Nice,
Well, yeah, the light's
lot of
too
shadows.
flat that way
Yeah,
because of all the smoke.
smoke. Plus, it seems to be denser. The cover seems to be denser up ahead.
Nice. Really?
Oh man.
Who's responsible for this?
All right, we got to turn around.
We decided to continue on despite the smoke.
Watch that rock. That's an ankle twister.
This one? Whoa!
Yeah, that one.
Well, the lighting looks kind of cool. I will give it that. You can see like sunbeams and stuff. Ugh. Yeah, it's getting pretty bad down here.
Yeah, it's clearing now. The wind's blowing.
Oh, the wind's blowing it out a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not focusing on it, but that looks...
It's coming up fast, too.
Whoa.
Hopefully...
Is that smoke? Is that where the fire is?
I thought it was over there.
That's where the fire is.
Well, it's coming fast. We should probably get... Look at... The lighting just dropped to like sunset. Well, it's coming fast. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's get.
We're heading back the other way. This is a really stupid idea. Running while filming. Smoke's right behind me though. I want to document this. Oh. Back here. And you can see it, like, there are no clouds in the sky today. That's smoke. Alright, back to the car.
Do it twice.
Oh, it did work. I locked it. I locked it.
And at first it doesn't hit you. Yeah.
Yeah, there's some hot in there. Look at.
Oh, this ought to be good.
Danny gave it to Papa.
You think they put horseradish and mix it in applesauce?
I don't know.
It's hotter than horseradish.
Yeah, it's different.
Alright, it is now Sunday morning, and now we're going to head down to the Riverwalk. Downtown San Antonio. It is dead today. But of course, it is a Sunday in downtown, so. This is the main plaza in downtown San Antonio.
Right inside the door.
It's really quiet today. We're climbing down to river level. Oh, cool. Noon, so Pedro's making a bunch of noise. Here it is, the mighty San Antonio River.
Them sitting inside.
This is the Alamo in downtown San Antonio. That's it. Famous Alamo. This is what you don't see.
Isn't that hotel you
Okay.
stayed at when you went on a layover?
No, that isn't that over
Is
there?
that the Crockett?
This is, I think, yeah, it's the San Antonio Spurs boat. Right here. We've kind of gotten away from the touristy part of the Riverwalk. Man, you get like a tenth of a mile away from like the restaurant part of the Riverwalk, and it really empties out. Alright, we're done downtown. We're gonna go back
Well, you know what?
home now.
You know what? The other side got one.